welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something spectacular. What we're going to be doing is showing you guys how I created these flowers. Some of them already came in bouquets that I ordered from China. Of course, I'm going to leave the link. And then some of them come in rows that I also had to add flowers. All of these flowers came white, and I had to add the purple because that's what my client is going for. I always order all white because it's easier to add highlight to change it as needed. Given that we run out of flowers, it's a smart idea to always get your flowers in white. So stick with me throughout this video if you want to see how I turn this from white to glam. I honestly only show how I did the rose, but the exact same concept applies to the flower. So this is what we have as far as our centerpieces. For us, this is considered a large bouquet. This is how the bottom looks. This is how the top looks. We was able to interchange it. And then we have our flower roll that comes on the foam board. It is flexible, it is bendable, it is movable. This is our flower roll that I typically use for draping or a bridal head table. That one came already made. I only had to add the purple into it. But this one, I had to make from scratch. Tell me, guys, what you think. And you know I made it from scratch because the back, you got it right. It's a panoodle. So, you want to see how all of this was created? Stick around and let's get started.